Good morning, Alert. Alert Pratap Singh, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Are you not supposed to wish your teacher, huh? Your teacher is supposed to wish you when you enter the
Good
class.
morning.
Yes, so were you waiting for me to wish you first? All of you get ready with your social studies copies. We are going to do one more worksheet today.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am.
This is revision number 3.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. I'll share screen with you. All of you have to write down this worksheet along with questions. Don't ask me, ma'am, we can write only answers. No. Along with the questions in your social studies fair copies. Ready? Everyone is ready? Nobody is ready, huh? Nobody is saying yes, ma'am. Okay, here's the screen before all of you.
Yes.
This is revision number 3. Starting with question 1, that is fill-ups. Come on, put today's date and start doing the work.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, question we have to see in book.
What you have to do in book?
Ma'am, question we have to see in book.
I can't understand.
Ma'am, question we have to see in book.
Curson means?
Ma'am,
What
question.
I can't understand. Can anybody explain me what he's saying?
Ma'am, question we have to see in book.
Question, beta. Why have I shared the screen with you, Ankush Gautam? Why is the screen shared with you? Tell me. You have to see the question from here and do it.
निकालूं एक और
Mute yourself. Beta, mute yourself. Who is unmuted in class? Mute yourself. Arshika.
Ma'am, which is right answer?
What?
मैम हमें आंसर खुद लिखने हैं.
Yes, beta, you have to write the answers yourself. We have done the chapter. We have done the key points. Children, can I scroll down? Have you written this much?
No, ma'am.
On which sentence are you all?
Ma'am, 3.
Yes. So now you can see the whole page after sentence number 3.
Ma'am, what is the second question?
Beta, second question is, what is civic sense?
Ma'am, please down the word. Ma'am, please down the word. Ma'am, please down the word.
Beta, what is under it? There is nothing under question number 4.
Ma'am, to stand the.
Taranveer, mute yourself.
Ma'am, please up the word. Ma'am, please tell the second question. Ma'am, I see second
Second,
question.
this one dash teaches us how the government of a country works. Riddhi, you're going so slow if you are still on the second sentence.
Please scroll up. Ma'am, I am on fifth. Ma'am, we have to do question also, question answers. And we have to do 2, 3, 4 also.
Yes, beta, you have to do question 2, question 3, question 4, and then after it we have question 5 also. Beta, mute yourself. Who is not muted?
अब तेरा भागना बंद होएगा.
Arshika, you want to be removed from the class?
Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, I am on fourth question.
Do one thing, take a screenshot. All of you take a screenshot of it and then you can zoom it according to your own convenience. How many of you have completed it? Ankush, you have done all the 4 questions? What about you, Taranveer, Unsha, Riddhi, Ehman?
Ma'am, I am doing.
There is one more question after it. See, question number 5 is also there.
Ma'am, I done 5 also.
Have you written the answers also? All of you have written the answers also of these 5 questions? Nobody is replying. All those students who don't reply are sitting except for Taranveer. Taranveer, have you done?
No, ma'am, I am doing.
What about you, Praveer, Unsha, Ehman? What about other students?
Ma'am, I am doing.
I want all of you to post your work after doing it. 10 minutes are left for the class to get over. After this, you have to post your work on the class group.
Ma'am, I am sending the group.
Okay, very nice, Taranveer. What about others? No one has completed so far. Okay, all of you open your cameras. Everyone, Eman, Ahmed, Charitra, Unsha, and Alert is not there in class. He has opened his camera, but he is not there. What are you doing, Alert? Have you done the worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's the answers. India is a dash country. What country? Who will answer this question? In India is a dash country. What kind of a country is it?
Ma'am, I do not know.
Okay, you don't know this. What have you written, Ankush Gautam? You were saying you have completed. Have you written the answer?
Don't know this answer.
Okay. Anyone in the class who has written this answer? All right. I'll write the answer in the chat box. Everybody see from there and write it. India is a democratic country. All of you write it. Democratic country. Then, dash teaches us how the government of a country works. What teaches us? What teaches us? Who will answer it? Can anybody answer
Ma'am,
it?
civics.
Very good. It's civics. Civics teaches us how the government of a country works. Then the third one. A dash is a person belonging to a country. Who is a person? All of you write the answers. A person belonging to a country is called a dash. What is he called? He is called a citizen. What is he called? Citizen. Like we belong to India, so we are the citizens of India. Okay. Then the fourth one. People elect their leaders through the process called. What is the process called through which people of a country choose their leaders? What is that process called?
Ma'am, election. Ma'am, voting.
Very nice. Yes, it can be called voting also. It can be called elections also. Both are correct. Then the fifth one, every voter has a special identity card called
Right.
what is voter ID card. Very nice. It is called a voter ID card. Now do one thing. All of you click a picture of these fill in the blanks, write down the answers, click a picture and send it on the class group. I want to see Charitra, Alak, Eman, Unsha and Ankush Gautam. Yes, Taranveer, you have sent. Very nice. Other students will also send it. Hurry up and do your work and send me. I'm waiting.
Ma'am, I write with this cat.
Very good work, Taranveer. Beta, I have checked your paper. Now do one thing, write that answer. India is a democratic country. You haven't written it? Write it right now. Who has sent this work? Whose number is this? 44518 in the end. Ankush Gautam, that's your number? I have received just one answer sheet apart from Taranveer's. I don't know what you students do in class. You're sitting in the class. Why don't you post your work? Charitra, Alak, Unsha. What do you attend your classes for, beta? Just to come and show your names to the teacher so that your parents don't force you? When your parents force you to attend classes, you should make the classes meaningful. Don't just come and sit there like that. Submit your work, post your work. What is the use of sitting like this in the class? It is as good as not attending your class. Even if you are attending the class and only the attendance registers has got P after your names, it makes no sense because you're not doing anything good to yourself.
Mom, I have sent a picture.
So I asked you, this number is yours, 44518 in the end. That's your number?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, where are the question answers? You have just sent fill in the blanks. Where are questions and answers? I can't see them. Ankush Gautam has checked his work himself. Ankush, why have you written such dirty and shabby handwriting today? Your handwriting is not bad. As far as I remember, you have a good handwriting. What happened to you today? Those who have not done question answers, listen to me. Those who have not done question answers, what you can do is you can see Taranveer's work on the class group. You can write the answers from there. If you don't know the answers yourself. You will complete this worksheet and I'll ask you tomorrow for the same work. Is that fine? Now go and attend your next class. It's time for your next class. Bye to all of you. Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.